It's very proud to be a member of Congress today, and certainly of the House of Representatives, as we pass this legislation. I was brought to the issues around the disability community when I first came to Congress, or perhaps a little before that when I was working in the state legislature in California, by a hardy crew from California who were deeply involved in pursuing the civil rights of those with disabilities and the constitutional rights of those with disabilities and their place in the legislative process. And I want to thank them. And that is Judy Heumann from California and known to many, and Ed Roberts, a great champion of disability rights, a magnificent person, and Hale Zucker, who still resides in Berkeley and continues the battle, and Jim Donald, who was a wonderful attorney on behalf of many in the disability communities, and so many others. But my time in Congress, I've watched the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 and the battle over the 504 regulations, IDEA, at that time Education All Handicapped Children, now IDEA, and the ADA, and today the restoration of the ADA to its proper position and power within the law. And I think it's a tribute to this Congress. While in many instances we've had very controversial fights and there's been eruptions over the implementations of these laws, we have continued to march forward and ensure the rights of the disabled for their participation in American society. I think so many members now and so many people in our society recognize all that the members of the disability community have accomplished, all that they are accomplishing, and all that they will accomplish. So today, when we look at a young child seeking to be enrolled in school and to have an opportunity at the content and the curriculum that others have, and to have a chance to participate in that school in a meaningful way, and not to be put off inside separate and segregated classes. When we look at individuals who want to pursue a career, an activity in our society, and not be discriminated against. And when we now see employers recognizing the talents and the abilities and the contributions to be made by individuals with disabilities, we as a nation are far better off, far richer, and far more understanding than we were prior to the struggles over these laws. And I hope that all members will share the pride that I do when later on we will be able to vote to restore the ADA after the damage done by the court decisions. And with that, I yield back the balance of my time, and I thank all of my colleagues for their participation in this debate.